If you use Adobe Photoshop often, pinning it to the Start menu in Windows 11 is one of the fastest ways to save time every single day. Instead of searching through your apps over and over again, you can place Photoshop right where you need it and launch it in just one click. In this video, I'll show you the quickest method to add Adobe Photoshop to the Windows 11 Start menu, and I'll also show you what to do if the pin option doesn't appear right away. If this tutorial helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. As soon as the Start menu opens, begin typing Photoshop into the search bar. Windows will start searching your installed apps and should display Adobe Photoshop in the results. Now look at the right-hand side of the search result. You should see a panel with quick actions for the app, including the option to pin to start. Click Pin to Start, and Windows 11 will instantly add Photoshop to your Start menu for easier access. This is the fastest method because it takes only a few seconds and works great when the app appears in the search results right away. If you don't see Pin to Start in the right-hand panel, don't worry. There is another simple way to do it. Right-click the Photoshop app icon directly in the search results list. A menu will appear, and from that menu, select Pin to Start. That does the same thing and is often the backup method when the quick action panel is not showing the option clearly. Once you pin Photoshop, you can open the Start menu again, and you should see it available in your pinned apps area. This makes it much easier to launch Photoshop whenever you need to edit photos, design graphics, or work on creative projects. If you ever want to remove it later, you can just right-click the pinned icon and choose Unpin from Start. So that's how to add Adobe Photoshop to the Start menu in Windows 11 using the Windows Search Quick Pin method. It's fast, simple, and perfect for keeping your favorite apps within easy reach. If this video helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.